beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing my face, my name is Atinike. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I achieved this gorgeous black smoky eyes. Now I'm just blending the concealer out. After I'm done blending the concealer out, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Setting Powder just to set it. I make use of only 2 eyeshadow in this video. This is a very beginner friendly and very easy step to follow. So I'll be using this orange color, something like orange red, then I'll be using that black eyeshadow also. So that is only 2 eyeshadow I'm going to be using. Just blending out. Like I say, this is orange or red. Let me just take it as red because I don't really know the color to call it. I'll be blending it out. The key is blending. You must blend very well. If you do not blend very well, you can't achieve a very smooth and nice eyeshadow look. So after I finish blending, I'm going to blend this very well. Then I'll go in with a black eyeshadow. I make use of like 4 brushes in this video. Yes, I use 4 brushes. I use one to apply the orange color, the red color. Then I use another one to apply the black color, which I don't like the first brush I used, so I changed it to another brush. I use another brush again to apply the black color. I even make use of 5 brushes, sorry, not even 4. Then I use another one to blend the red and the black together. I use another plain brush then to blend only the black color. The key is blending. You have to blend. If I make use of the brushes I've already used before, it's going to stain it. It will take it up towards my eyebrow, which it won't even look good at all. So that is why I use clean brushes to blend each side. So this is the brush I will be using to blend the black and the orange together. This color is orange because in the eyeshadow palette it's like orange color, but on camera it's kind of showing like red color. So if I call it orange, if I call it red, kindly please try to understand. So I keep blending. You have to blend very well. Be patient. You have to blend. This is very beginner friendly. I don't like using a lot of eyeshadow to achieve my look. So because I make beginner friendly video, this is a very easy step for you to achieve this kind of eyeshadow. So I keep blending it. You can see, blend very well. That is how you can get what you want. Calm down, blend, keep practicing. You will surely get what you want. After I'm done with the eyeshadow, now let's move to the face. I'll be using this Revolution concealer in that shade just to cover my dark spots because I had some spots recently, so it's drying off. So the sign is there, so just to cover it. I don't really like doing this step, but I want this makeup to come out on point. I'll be using these 2 concealer, LA Girl and Juvia's Place concealer. I'll be using LA Girl in Fawn, using Juvia's Place concealer in shade 12. Then I'll be making use of this Fenty foundation in shade 420. Just blending everything out. After I finish blending out my foundation, then I'll start blending the concealer out. After I finish blending my concealer, I love to go back with my brush, the brush I used to apply my foundation, just to make everything rhyme together. Then I'll be using this Juvia's Place Setting Powder to set it. I didn't really capture that, so that's what I'm showing you. Then I'll use this MAC powder just to contour my cheeks. That is what I love using. I use that MAC powder in shade NW55. When you want to contour your nose, you have to take the nose under your eyebrow so that it won't look different, it won't stand out. You have to take it from your nose to under your eyebrow. Look at the way I'm doing my face. when you do your makeup, you as a different kind of look. You even squeeze your face like to achieve good makeup. So I'm going to be using this blush palette from Juvia's Place in volume 1. I'll be using that shade I showed you. I'll be using KIKO setting spray. I love this. I love it a lot. It's KIKO All Night Party Glow Makeup Fixer. This setting spray is so good. So I'll be using this Makeup Revolution Ever After lipstick. Then I'll be applying my lip gloss on it. So I'll be using this Makeup Revolution highlighter just to add some shine to my face, to bring that glow, to look so yummy. Just look at this makeup. I've not even applied my eyelashes. Look at it. Oh my god. Oh my god. So now I'm just using the two eyeshadow I used from the beginning just to apply under my eyelid. So that is all. That is all. Yeah. This is a makeup tutorial, but I just want to show you guys this hair because I really love the color of this hair so much. I got this hair from AliExpress. I'll put the link in the description box below if you like the color. So there's different color. If you don't like this color, there's black, other colors. So now I just want to make the pattern to be obvious. So just using my hand to pluck it out after I've already sprayed some water to it. It's not a frontal, they just added the frontal, just add some ginger to it, you understand. I already showed you how the inside looked like from the beginning. Just applying my foundation to the little parts, the kept lace that it will be showing. Just putting this on now. I love the color of this hair so much. Oh my god. Oh, as in, I'm feeling the color of this hair. Just laying it down a little bit, not really doing anything special to it. So look at the back. I love the color so much. The back color, the front. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the final look, guys. Please, can you please make sure you click on the like button, subscribe, comment down below, share with your loved one, and please don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. Happy holiday, guys. See you in my next video. Ciao, bye, love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.